In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermark in GIMP. First, open your image so we can get started. Go to the top menu and choose File, then Open. Navigate to the photo you want to edit and confirm. Once it loads, you'll see it on your canvas, ready for cleanup. Next, we'll choose the right tool for this job, the Clone tool. In the menu, go to Tools, then Paint Tools, and click Clone. If you prefer shortcuts, you can simply press the C key. The Clone tool lets you copy pixels from one part of the image and paint them over another area, which is perfect for covering a watermark while matching surrounding textures and colors. Before painting, zoom in so you can see the watermark clearly. Press the plus key to zoom in until you have a comfortable, close view. A clear view helps you make precise strokes and blend more naturally. You can pan around by holding the spacebar and dragging, keeping the watermark centered on your screen. Now, select a clean source area to clone from. Hold the Control key and click on a spot near the watermark that has similar texture and color. Think of a patch of sky, fabric, or background that matches what should be behind the watermark. Choosing a nearby area helps your edits look seamless. Release Control and start painting over the watermark. Click and gently drag your brush across the watermark, watching how the sampled pixels cover it. Use short strokes and keep an eye on edges and transitions so they don't look smudged. In the tool options, adjust your brush size and hardness to suit the area you're working on. Smaller, softer brushes are great for detailed edges, while a slightly larger brush can handle broader sections. If something doesn't look right, press Ctrl+Z to undo and try a different approach. Repeat the process as needed. Frequently resample by holding Ctrl and clicking new source spots, especially when the background changes or you notice repeating patterns. Alternating your source areas prevents obvious cloning marks and improves blending. Take your time around lines, textures, and gradients, sampling often to match them accurately. When you're happy with the result, save your image. Go to File and choose Save to keep your work in GIMP's project format, which preserves layers and settings. If you need a shareable version like PNG or JPEG, use File and Export, as to create a copy for web or print while keeping your original editable file intact.